This is a step-by-step guide for scheduling a LinkedIn update using the CoSchedule plugin. The first step is to find the blog post you want to share on LinkedIn. So I'm going to type in the words I'm looking for. What I've done is this is my WordPress area. I've clicked on posts. I have all of my posts appearing here. And on the right hand side, to search for the actual post, I click here on workshop and I search for post. And the post that I'm interested in has appeared. So I'm going to left click on that to open it up. Now what I'm going to do is scroll down the post to the CoSchedule plugin. So on the right you have this scroll bar. You can pull it all the way down and we'll see the CoSchedule plugin. Here it is here, the CoSchedule plugin. Now, there are several ways you can update your LinkedIn profile here. The easy option, I'll show you the easy option. We're going to come to the plugin, left click on the new message button, and here at select a social network, we're going to select LinkedIn social network. I'll pull down a little bit, and this is the very easy option that it has actually come up with this title and permalink. And the title, this is the blog post title, Introduction to Zero Workshop Caboolture. That is the blog post title. And the permalink is this here, permalink. That's going to come through. So that was the easiest, quickest way to do it. Whenever I do this, I also want to share an image with the post. So I'm going to click here on image. And it's popped up with an image there. It's popped up with 0. It's a bit, and that's a better image. I think that's a little brochure about the workshop. So I'm selecting that image. It's big. It will come through on LinkedIn. It will look good. And the next part of that is to schedule it. So every time I do this, I need to select an image and I need to schedule it. So I'll show you this once and we'll skip over it the next 2 times. I don't want updates scheduled on the weekend. I only want them during the week. So I'm going to select the option choose a custom date. And then once I've chosen a custom date, I'll click back here on the calendar and I will select Monday the 10th and between 8 and 11 a.m. Again, that is between normal business hours and I'm happy with that. So I am going to click add message. You can see here very simply, very quickly, I have scheduled a message for LinkedIn that's going to come out on the Monday. Now, so that was the easy option to share on LinkedIn. Now let's pop to the next method, which is a bit harder. What we're going to do is find a phrase in the blog post that's enticing and copy it and paste it into the LinkedIn CoSchedule update. So I'm going to move back up to the actual post and I'm going to copy. I'm not going to cut, I'm going to copy. So I'll come down here and I actually have to read through what's going on here. And what I might do here is copy that. Our workshop includes. So I might just copy that, being very careful to copy that. And I'm going to scroll down here and click in here on new message. Go over here, click on LinkedIn. And the title is going to be Introduction to Zero Workshop Caboolture Hub. That's fine, but I'm going to click in between the 2 of those, and just beside it I'm going to right click and paste. So all of that information comes through, all of that information about what the workshop includes. So you can see there, Introduction to Zero Workshop, our workshops include So all of that additional information has come through. Plus we have the hyperlink there. And as with the other ones, I'm going to add an image and schedule it. So I added the image, I've scheduled it, and you can see this one is going to come out at 10:56 a.m. and this one's going to come out at 2:06 p.m. I'm actually on the same day, so I'm happy about that. But slightly different information, so might catch someone's eyes a bit differently. Third option for scheduling the LinkedIn profile here is to actually create a completely new phrase. So let's go through the process. Scroll up a little bit, click on New Message, select the social network. And what I'm going to do is just put something very personal in here. I'm going to say, I'm running an introductory workshop on how to use Xero, and I'll click that out. I might put in here, click through to find out more. Okay. As with the other ones, I've added an image to that, I've scheduled it, and I'm going to click Add Message. So I've now added 3 LinkedIn messages using an easy way, a medium way, and a little bit harder way. So what we need to do now is once we've scheduled some messages from the blog to the LinkedIn profile, we need to update the blog post. So I'm going to scroll up to the top of the screen here, and I'm going to left click on the green update button to update this blog post. And there we have it, a step-by-step guide for scheduling a LinkedIn update using the CoSchedule plugin.